Hello everyone. In this video we will discuss problem number 927. Let us first see what is given in the problem. A thin non-conducting ring of radius r has a linear charge density lambda equals to lambda naught cos theta, where lambda naught is the value of lambda at theta equals to 0. Find net electric dipole moment for this charge distribution. So interpretation of this question is pretty straightforward. The ring of radius r shown in the figure is provided with a variable charge density, and charge density given in the problem is lambda equals to lambda naught cos theta. So we can conclude that with change in the value of theta, its charge density, linear charge density, will also change. And for such a variable charge distribution, we have to find the net electric dipole moment. So we have redrawn the conditions given in the problem, and I have taken a differential element of angle d theta at an angle theta which has a charge dq as shown. So you can see this charge dq is present on the periphery of ring, and this is our differential element. Let us first find the value of this charge. We can say that this dq will be equal to lambda into r d theta. Now dipole moment for this differential element can be written as dp cos theta I cap plus dp sin theta j cap, where the value of dp will be equal to r into dq, that is dp is equal to lambda r square d theta. Now substituting the value of dp in this expression, we get dp vector equals to lambda r square cos theta d theta I cap plus lambda r square sin theta d theta j cap. Now according to the condition given in the problem, value of lambda is lambda naught cos theta. So substituting this value in the expression, we get dp equals to lambda naught r square cos square theta plus lambda naught r square sin theta cos theta d theta j. Let us now integrate this expression to find the value of net dipole moment. The limit of the integral for theta will be from 0 to 2 pi. 0 to 2 pi. Now with the standard methods of integration, this expression comes out to be equal to lambda naught r square into cos square theta d theta. Integral from 0 to 2 pi will yield pi. And this particular integral will evaluate to 0 plus 0 j cap. We have now finally arrived at our desired result. So desired result for dipole moment for the condition given the problem will be pi lambda naught r square, and this dipole moment will be only along x direction. Its y component is 0. So this is our desired result. This is our final answer.